This video is brought to you by my supporters on Patreon. Hey guys, I'm here with a video showing you how I did my makeup for my KDA Akali cosplay. And by this point, I've already done my foundation and filled in my eyebrows, but forgot to film that because I'm dumb. So anyways, I did my usual foundation, which is just foundation on my face. I don't do anything special. And then I filled in my eyebrows the same way that I always do, using an eyebrow pencil or eyebrow brush and shadow. And here I'm applying contour. So I'm using this contour stick from, I forget the brand, but everything will be linked down below. And then I'm using a beauty blender to blend that all in, and I'm doing the same with concealer. Something Candy, I'm pretty sure the brand is. Anyways, now I start on the eyes. To start off, I applied a purple eyeshadow to the outer corner of my eyes along the crease and blending that outwards. So not inwards towards like my actual eyelids, but outwards away from them. And then I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and applying that right under where I applied the purple and blending that inwards. Taking a lighter off-white or cream color, I'm applying that onto the corner of my eyelids and then blending that inwards towards the brown. Then I'm taking a reddish purpley brown color and applying that into the crease and blending it both into the brown and purple that we applied earlier. And now I'm just working on blending and layering on a little bit more eyeshadow because the colors weren't as vibrant as I wanted them to. So I'm adding a little bit more purple and blending that out, and then adding a little bit more of that reddish purpley brown color and blending that out as well, before moving on to some more contouring that I'm using this time with this bronzer that I have, and contouring my face with that. Yeah, I jump around a lot. I'm not a makeup YouTuber, so forgive me for this being super non-professional like or whatever. Anyways, I do eyeliner now at this point, and I do a larger wing for this look that goes up fairly high to try to get it as even as possible on both sides. I do the wing part first, and then I do the line that goes across my eyelash line. What is that called? I don't know. I do the line next though, as you can see here. Next, I use some black eyeshadow and my eyebrow brush to apply black liner to the bottom of my eye. And I do this because I don't like using liquid liner on the bottom of my eyes because it does start to water, which makes it start to run, and it just becomes a huge mess. So I stick to powder for that. And then I close in the corner of my eyes using the liquid for like the very, very, very corner, because her eye makeup does have just black, like all the way around her eye. And of course I gotta apply false lashes, so I'm applying the glue onto the false lashes and then letting that sit for a little bit to get it tacky, only a real like little bit. And while I'm waiting for that to get tacky, I do my lips real quick. And so I'm slightly overlining my lips using a nude liner and then applying nude lipstick as the base before going over it with this corally pinky gloss color. After I finish my lips, I go ahead and stick on my false lashes. I don't really have any tips for this except for do this a lot and you'll eventually get better at it and used to wearing it. And of course, I have to finish it off with a coat of mascara, and that's pretty much it. Nope, I forgot something. I forgot highlighter. That's what I forgot. So I'm taking this purple highlighter and just dusting that on my cheeks because I thought, why not? It would look cool. And now it's done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful despite it being a little bit of a mess. Have a lovely day and bye!